People, what is up? Welcome back to our channel. Once again, it's me, your bearded bro, QuickSilver 15, back with another video. And today we'll be doing something special. Yan, wala tayong review ngayon, but we will be doing an unboxing video for today. And ito ay matagal na namin hinihintay. And if you can remember that Momonski did an unboxing of this particular chair, and yan, ito na nga after a few months. Actually medyo nakalimutan ko na may package kami, and nagulat kami na nag-doorbell si ang delivery guy kanina. So shout out kay Kuya, and thank you for your service. And yeah, we're actually, now I'm really excited to open this particular box, and yeah, we'll see. We'll talk about it, and yeah. So yeah, guys. So again, when Monski unboxed this chair, ayan, may kasama siyang gantong flyer, and yan, ito yung supposedly na kasamang figure ng chair na ito. But ayun, separate siyang i-deliver, and if hindi nyo pa siya na re-receive, well, supposedly you were supposed to get a code from wherever you bought this chair. For us, since Lazada namin binili, not sponsored, doon namin nakuha yung code. And also, you had to email someone from Secretlab para i-confirm yung delivery. And yan, so in-email namin si, I think her name was Anna. So yan, if you're not receiving anything yet, you should probably do that. And so yeah, without further ado, let's get to unboxing. Ayan, so naka-ready na ang ating cutter. And yeah. So dahan-dahan tayo. Ingat! And yeah, let's get to it. Dahan-dahanin natin ang pag-unbox. So yun, guys, if you don't know, limited edition na Quiccs merchandise actually resells for a lot. For example, the Boba Tech, yung parang si Boba Fett from Star Wars, the SRP is $75, and you can actually, if you search online, it resells for about $2,000, or, well, actually hindi, $700 pala for both the Mandalorian version and the Boba Fett version. So you can imagine how much these things cost in resale value. They really do increase when you in resale value. Now, for example, this chair actually we bought it for like $35K, but it resells for about $2,000. So that's really insane. And ooh, yeah, nice bubble wrap. Yeah, so it's safe. Hopefully it's in pristine condition. And have to be extremely careful. Ayan, baba ko na tong box na to. And ooh, I'm having really good feelings about this box. So colorful. Yeah, so let's get rid of this bubble wrap so we can see the true colors. Mateo style. Mateo style. No, it's too hard. It's too hard. You need to be careful not to damage the box, because actually the box is very valuable. That's kind of damaged. So yan, medyo may punit yung seal niya. So yeah, I guess can't resell this anymore. Kasi actually pagka unbroken yung seal, talagang pag mint condition, unbroken seal and everything, it's just gonna jack up the price even more. But yan, I guess we're not gonna resell it. So we're gonna definitely display it, and you'll probably see it in our stream. Woo! Woo. Damn! Look at that! Look at that box! Ayan. Woo! Shiny and colorful! Grabe yan! Artist series! And you really have to give a shout out to Quicks, because he doesn't only design really cool toys, yung packaging din. Actually, it kind of looks like the Mariko packaging. If you haven't seen that unboxing yet, do check it out in our YouTube page. Yeah. So yeah, ooh, damn! Wow, it looks super badass, bro. It's super badass. I love it already, and I haven't even opened it up yet. So there's, woo! I love the sound of just, you know, these nice little plastics pag tinatanggal siya. Ooh, damn. So yan, sabi ko kay Momonski dati. Sa kanya yung upuan. But this thing is mine. Wala akong papayag siya. Yeah. Let's smell it first. New toy smell. I love that new toy smell. And finally, we have a TEQ63. Actually, my dream TEQ63 toy from Quicks is the Doctor Doom one, or the Mandalorian, and the Skeletor, and actually even the EVA Unit 1 version, the purple one. I really love the color schemes for those. And yeah, but this one looks just epic, man. It looks super badass. I love it. Look at that. Look at that. It matches perfectly. Well, of course, it should match perfectly with the chair. It smells so good. It smells like high-end plastic. You know, high-end toy plastic. It's just so awesome. So yeah, I tried to do research about this, if people are already reselling this on eBay or something, because yeah, this will probably be very valuable. Kasi like for example, this chair has only 200 units were sold all over the world. So yeah, you can see how exclusive and limited edition this particular figure is. So I don't know if they will resell it, because this is just so awesome, and it just, you know, this chair would be like pointless without it, because it's the companion piece. And yeah, definitely going on the background. So cool, so awesome. So yeah, we'll be doing a few detailed shots of this so you can see it up close, and kasi baka nag-overexpose siya pag masyado natin. Actually, it's not. It's pretty good. But yeah, we'll do some B-roll later on. But yeah, that's the unboxing. So again, it does fit the color scheme of the chair pretty well, and I really love this. The robotic skull aesthetic that Quicks uses. Kind of like this helmet thing is from Gundam. So yan, mataas talaga yung nostalgia factor ng Quicks toys for me, because you know, growing up with those kind of anime, yeah, you gotta love this style. Actually, one other thing or set that I do love from Quicks is the Maniket. So yan, Quicks, ano ka na? Kota-kota ka sa stream namin. So baka lang naman, Yung ano lang, Skeletor tsaka Mandalorian tech. But yeah, the Manicat ones just look so awesome. It's actually, Manicat is like a fancy version of an action figure. Madami siyang articulation points and just has so many attachments. And actually, if you're an artist and you want to draw like particular steampunk, bullet punk styles, I recommend you do buy those things because you can pose them however you like, and it's just awesome. We don't have any of those yet. Hopefully we get some in the future because yeah, again, since me and Momonsky are graphic artists by trade, we do love those kind of things. So yeah, without further ado, here's the B-roll for this thing. For the tech Ghost, I think he's called Ghost. B-roll. Yeah guys, that's it. Very quick video. We just wanted to share with you the super cool TEQ63 Ghost for the Secretlab chair we got, and yeah, there's really nothing more to say. It's definitely super awesome. 10 out of 10 for quality. The packaging again, so beautiful. I love it. You're gonna really want to keep the boxes for this. It's just super awesome. And yeah, once again, if you like this video, hope you give it a thumbs up. It really helps us a lot. And don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell so you'll be notified of our next videos. Once again, it's me, your bearded bro, QuickSilver 15. Signing off, and again, baka naman Quicks. Peace